contesting
असेंब्ली इलेक्शन आणि आता सुद्धा सांताक्रुज आणि बाबुशान ऑफिस घातला. सो
are you planning to sit on Santa?
Santa Cruz, no. Not at all.
But you are planning.
See, I will be standing for assembly elections, but then the party will tell me which seat we can take. See, I would like to contest in Talegaon because it's my mom's seat also. And I know she had a very good relationship with the people of Talegaon, so I want to continue that legacy in Talegaon. But it will depend on the party also. If the party sees me as a fit candidate in that area, then I will contest wherever they say.
But you wanted to sit for the party cabinet.
Yeah, because my mom had started a lot of good work in that area, and a lot of people thought of very fondly of her. So I want to continue that legacy. So whatever work she could not have completed, like she started all that storage network and everything, was not done. So whatever her legacy was, now I want to finish whatever her thing was, whatever her vision of Talegaon was. So I would like to stand in Talegaon.
but if party gives you in the ticket of Santa Cruz, then you are ready to contest.
See, ultimately the party is the highest now. So if they decide that they want to put me in Santa Cruz, then I will live by that decision, whatever the thing is. It's not an issue for me. No, see, I have not spoken to.
तुम्ही पळतात GNH.
दाने दाने में आरोग्य प्राप्तिरस्तु, दाने दाने में सौभाग्य प्राप्तिरस्तु. अमृत जैसा इसका स्वाद, ये है पौष्टिकता का प्रसाद. कण कण में पंचामृता, रग रग में पंचामृता, तन मन में पंचामृता, देश भर में पंचामृता, घर घर में पंचामृता प्राप्तिरस्तु.
शुद्ध भी, स्वाद भी, सेहत भी. पंचामृता खाओ, हेल्थी जियो.